In the scientific community, the discovery of space hurricanes is adding a new level of terror to cosmic phenomena. These space hurricanes, giant swirling vortices of plasma, form high above Earth's magnetic poles. They are the result of charged solar winds interacting with Earth's magnetic field, creating a spectacle reminiscent of weather hurricanes. Unlike their terrestrial counterparts, space hurricanes can unleash intense energy spikes and affect satellite operations and GPS systems. This phenomenon highlights the potential for extraordinary and unpredictable forces in the space environment above our planet.